Hi there, welcome to Informa Connect.
So who are we? The clue's in the name. We're part of Informa, a global business with a network of trusted brands in specialist markets across more than 30 countries and a member of the FTSE 100.
Our purpose is to connect our customers to information and people that help them know more, do more, and be more.
Through live events, online communities, and professional development programs.
Every year, we organize around 800 specialist conferences and other events where people build relationships and strike business deals.
Our websites and online resources are packed with insight and opinion that deliver valuable knowledge and inspiration. And we offer professional development programs that provide unique opportunities to learn and grow. We do all this in a range of different industries and dozens of countries.
In fact, no company in the world helps more people share professional knowledge or make business connections.
So if you're looking for the latest insight, influential opinion, effective training, incredible events, amazing networking opportunities, or just about anything else that can help grow your professional knowledge and enhance your prospects, come and visit us. We look forward to making the connection.